Welcome back to ST Auto Car. Today we are stepping into a very different machine, not a luxury SUV or sports car, but a beast built for the toughest conditions, the Kia KMTV, which stands for Kia Medium Tactical Vehicle. This is not a vehicle for daily driving. The KMTV has been designed for military operations, carrying troops, supplies, and equipment across the roughest terrains. It is Kia's answer to modern battlefield logistics. The KMTV lineup includes both 2.5-ton 4x4 models and larger 5-ton 6x6 models. These different variants give armies flexibility, from carrying light cargo to handling heavy-duty missions with armor and protection. Kia designed this truck after years of research and testing. It replaces older tactical trucks and gives the South Korean military a new generation of mobility. Production officially began in June 2025, showing how serious Kia is about this defense project. Under the hood, the 2.5-ton variant is powered by a 280 horsepower engine, while the heavier 5-ton model delivers around 330 horsepower. Both are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and full all-wheel drive. This truck is not just powerful on paper. It can climb steep 60% slopes, handle 40% side angles, and even ford through water up to 1 meter deep. In other words, the KMTV is ready for any mission. Survivability is just as important as strength. The KMTV can be fitted with bulletproof protection, electromagnetic shielding, and even run flat tires. These features make it reliable under fire and in extreme battlefield conditions. Comfort also matters for soldiers on long missions. The KMTV comes with air suspension seats, GPS navigation, and even camera systems that provide a 360-degree view of the vehicle's surroundings. Unlike civilian trucks, every detail of the KMTV is built with durability and endurance in mind. It is tested to survive extreme temperatures from -32 degrees Celsius freezing cold to over 43 degrees Celsius desert heat. The 6x6 bulletproof variant is perhaps the most impressive. It combines heavy armor with high mobility, giving troops both safety and the ability to keep moving in hostile zones. Logistics is the backbone of any army, and that's exactly where the KMTV shines. It ensures supplies, fuel, and equipment reach the front lines no matter how difficult the terrain. This is also part of Kia's wider effort in the defense sector. Alongside civilian cars we all know, Kia has a long history of supplying military vehicles in South Korea and to international partners. The KMTV is proof that Kia can build machines not just for comfort and style but also for survival and mission success. It's a different kind of engineering challenge, and Kia has delivered. When you look at the design, you see pure function. Big wheels, high ground clearance, and a commanding stance. It looks intimidating because it's meant to be. For car fans like us, the KMTV may not be something we can drive on city streets, but it is fascinating to see how far Kia's engineering has reached. It shows another side of the brand we usually connect with family SUVs and sedans. The KMTV represents modern military mobility, where trucks need to be fast, versatile, and protective. It's not just about power but about technology and adaptability in real war situations. And that's what makes this vehicle special. It might not be glamorous like a supercar, but in its own world, it is just as impressive, built to save lives and complete missions. Thanks for watching ST Auto Car. Stay tuned for more amazing vehicles, from luxury rides to tactical beasts like the Kia KMTV.